嘿，是谁呀？Yuki 吗？今天跟狗狗一块看电影。Movie night， 这些是爆米花、喝的什么的，整一私人电影院。
Said that my bitch was gay, got a billion streams. I'm a mainstream rapper. He shot coke in Soho House, my brody a mainstream trapper. Come around us and get dead, they fuck for free, don't pay these brothers. Don't get it confused, it's 90% grind, 10% talent.
We can look in the future.
You have a very talented wife.
Well, I'll pass it along. I'll go there again.
If I'm feeling sad, then how did the odds feel, bro? I can only imagine. I'm somehow still not used to the lifestyle, but I'm slowly adapting. I'm planning the exit route, I ain't trying to be 30 years old and rapping. Call me a cheat, but I'll own up to it, so you can't call me a liar.
今天我们玩一个野的。
She been drinking no lean, I'm already had baby. I'm a gangsta, I'm thug. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. 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 Come on.
First ready?
Yes, ready.
好的，你没机会。右边先打，左边补枪。
SVR not a regular car. London to Paris a 6-hour drive, but I do it in 4.5. Whip the lamb like it's Formula 1. When you've been through all the things that I have, everything else is a walk in the park. I told them I'll rap and before they would laugh. Now we walk in the club and they know who we are. I'm not shaking my leg, but my jewelry dance. In America, sat by the pool with a John. Lucky I never been.
整一个身子都尽量卧在这个sushi地毯上。You sleepy, you sleepy girl.
Here is we have our traditional A5, our house A5, our Omi, and our Kobe. Now, although they're classified as A5, the fat content on this is closer to a 9 to 11. 5 is around about 9. The Omi comes in around 10 to 11.
你看，纯金的网，有点分量的。
I'm watching the moves and playing it close. SOD, super soap. Rainy days, his and hers, matching coke. Jet is so big, feel like a boat, staying afloat. I'm watching the moves and playing it close. SOD, super soap. She was a hoe, but I ain't gon' judge, cause that was way before.
So much. Look at the tag. This is amazing. Hong Kong is cool.
SOD, super soap. Rainy days, his and hers, matching coke. We fuck on a jet, it feel like a boat, staying afloat. I'm watching the moves and playing it close.